And we believe in effective, efficient, safe financial markets, and we have 150 years of heritage of being right in the middle of providing the information, the transactions infrastructure to do that. So being a 2-week-old company, but with a lot of heritage behind us, we're big believers in the information and the flows and the transaction infrastructures behind that can make global markets operate more effectively. We're under the floorboards, if you like, of most of the large trading houses and investment houses providing the data that they need every day to operate to do that.
Is the strategy to go straight on with the incumbents, to keep fighting Bloomberg for those trading houses, for the big names on Wall Street, or are you seeking out new alternative revenue sources?
Well, the battlefield's always moving on, and we're looking at where is the global market heading, and here I am in Asia. It's 20% of our business, nearly 1.5 billion. Over half of our employees are here, and 3 of our top 5 cities in the world by revenue are in Asia. So clearly London and New York are absolutely critical to us, but here we are in Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, where a big part of our business is. So the battlefront is really moving on to new places in data, in infrastructure, in understanding the analytics and capabilities that you need to trade and invest around the global market as well.
You also have GIC in Singapore as one of your big investors too. I mean, do you get the indication that this is going to help you only build your presence across Asia? Is that really a part of the focus?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. GIC are a great partner to have with us, as are Blackstone, very active and involved in the markets. And Asia is a real strength for us. We've got a long heritage here, but the growth we're seeing at the moment is very, very strong. In the currencies that we're trading, in our relationship with China Connect, as we call it, with Bond Connect, with Belt and Road, with the London Connect that we're doing. So we're seeing a lot of not just business in Asia, but actually business connecting Asia into the rest of the global financial markets as well.
Before you really get into the heart of expansion, though, surely you have to deal with existing issues, one of which is the debt that you may want to have a look at, or are having a look at, I should say, on your books at the moment. It's been suggested, you've even hinted that you may look at an IPO of one of your units, TradeWeb. Is that something you would want to do in this environment, though, given how volatile markets have turned?
Well, we haven't confirmed anything. Of course, we're looking, at options, as I've said, and there's many things that we can do for that. It's a fantastic business. Only 30% of the bond market is electronic. It's an electronic trading platform that is growing really successfully. It's had its best 2 years under Lee and his management team in not just sovereign, but now credit. And it's expanding around the world. I mentioned the China Bond Connect, a great example of where we're connecting. So we love the business. We're a majority investor and owner of the business. We'll continue to invest behind that.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.